Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to download raw FTP log from WHM. Log in to WHM with root access. Select Account Functions from the navigation menu. Click on Raw FTP Log Download. Select a domain from the list whose FTP log you wish to see and click on Download. WHM will begin the download of the raw FTP log file on your system. Note that you will see the text file of the FTP log only if any data has traversed over the selected domain. If not, then WHM will show a message informing you that the log file is empty. In this way, you can download raw FTP log from WHM. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.